In this quick video, I'll show you how you can create a spa and salon website within just 10 or 20 minutes. It will be very simple and affordable. You can create the website under 23 US dollar. You don't need to know how to code or how to manage or how to create a website. With WordPress, building a website is very simple, and with drag and drop editor, you can customize each part of your website very easily. Okay, let's start to build this website. To start a website, you will need two things. One is domain and another is hosting. Domain is the name of your website. Hosting is the place where all the website files, images, text are stored. There are many web hosting companies out there, but I recommend Bluehost because Bluehost is super affordable and simple to use. To get started, just scroll down to this video and click on the description link or click on the pinned comment link to get the special discount on Bluehost. After clicking on this link, you will redirect it to this Bluehost special page where you will get free domain for first year. That's mean you don't need to buy the domain. You will buy the hosting and you will get the free domain and free SSL certificate, one-click WordPress install, expert support, everything in just $2 per month. If you simply scroll down little bit, you will see there are multiple packages. On basic package, you can host up to 10 website, 10 GB storage, and you will get one free domain with each package, and you will get professional email also and free SSL, free CDN. So let's start with this basic package. Just click select, then here put the domain name that you want to buy, search this domain. Okay, the domain is available. You can see the price of WordPress hosting is only 23 US dollar, and you will get .com domain for free and other service for free. So the total is 23 US dollar. Okay, let's check out. Now put the informations, name and address, and then you can check out with card or with your PayPal account. After filling all the information, just click on the submit payment. After payment, you will redirect it to this dashboard of Bluehost where you can see your website listed on these websites here. Then you can edit your website by clicking on edit site. This is the dashboard of your website back end, which is the WordPress dashboard. From here you can create new post or see all the posts, and on these pages, all pages, you can check all the pages, just clean it up, remove the unnecessary pages and just delete it. And on the post, you can remove this unnecessary post. Now go to the settings and permalink, change the permalink to post name and save it. Now go to the appearance and themes. Now from here, add a new theme. You can see there are many themes that you can install. We will install this Astra theme. Astra is a multi-purpose theme. We can create any type of website. Click on the install and then activate. Yeah, the Astra theme has been activated. Then you can see this type of pop-up will arise. Then click here and it will activate the demo content. Okay, now choose these templates, and now we will import some demo templates on your website to easily customize it. Okay, so let's continue with this classic starter template. From on the top right, change this block editor to Elementor. Now in the search bar, search for spa. Then you will get some templates here. Choose any of the template that you like. Okay, let's continue with this salon and spa template. You can choose the fonts here, and you can change the color palette also here. After choosing the font and the color palettes, just click continue. You can add some features like donation, automation, sales funnel, and free live chat. If you want to add any of this feature, you can just check this and continue. Submit. The demo contents are uploading on your website. It will take few seconds. Your website is now ready. The website is ready within just 19 seconds. You can view the website by clicking here, view the site. Now to customize this header and the footer, just click on the customize button. To change the global settings, you can click on the global, and here are some options you can change. To change the typography, click on the typography. You can change the typography from here. Then to change the color palettes, you can change it from here. Choose it, any of the color palettes that you want, and so on. Okay, let's change the header. To change the header, click on the header builder. You can change the logo from here. Just remove this, and you can see this logo has been removed from here. And to add a new logo, just click here, upload a new logo here, select the file and crop it and upload it. So you can see the logo has been changed. To change this menu, click here on the pencil icon and configure menu. Here you can choose the menu. Then you can change this button also. To change it, just click on the pencil icon and add a link here. Now scroll down to this footer section. To change this footer part, just click on the pencil button. Any of the part you want to change, you can change the layout of this footer. To change the text, simply just click on the pencil button and change the text from here on the left. So you can see that changes has been made. So this is how you can change the header and footer. After changing everything, click on the publish button. Now go back to the website again. Now to change this main part of this website, just click on the edit with Elementor. The Elementor page builder has been opened. Now you can just simply edit everything of this page. To edit this text, just select the text that you want to edit. On the left you can see you have the option to edit the text. The phone number to change, you can directly type the number from here. And to change the image, just click on the image and choose a new image from here and select it. Then you will see the change has been made. To edit this part, just click on the pencil icon and change the text. So this is so simple to edit everything. You can literally edit everything of this page, every part of this website. To change this part, you can change the icon here. Insert this icon, you can see that icon has been changed, and you can edit this directly from here. To add a new design element, just click this add icon, or you can just click here add icon, and then you can add videos like this. Just drag and drop. Then on the left, choose the video files, YouTube link, or you can simply use other providers. You can add divider, buttons, Google Maps, forms, and many more. After making change, just click on the publish button. So this is how you can create your website within just 10 or 20 minutes. If you need any help to create your website, just send me message on my WhatsApp or on my email. Now if you want to create professional email, just check the left video. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and consider subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.